Hi guys, welcome to the studio. I'm hanging out by myself. I wanted to create this little video for you guys, just a little something to show you guys how I create my swatch sheets. So I do these swatch sheets for every pigment that I have in my collection, whether it be for brows or lips, areola, whatever colors that I have, I want to learn more about them. And the best way to do that is to create a drawdown swatch sheet like this. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how I do it and why I do it. And I think if you guys haven't done this already, you're probably going to go do it right away because it's very, very handy to have one of these to reference as you're getting to know your colors a little bit better, and also as a reference sheet for your clients. So if you guys want to know how I go about creating this swatch sheet, then just keep watching. Okay, so in order to get this project started, we need a few things. We have a piece of sketch paper here. So computer paper isn't gonna quite cut it. You want something that's a little bit thicker, a little bit sturdier. I'm not fussy on what kind of sketch paper, just something from a sketch pad. Some Q-tips we're gonna need. We're gonna need a pen. We'll need a little bit of water, and then we're going to need colors. So these are the 5 most commonly used permablend colors for me personally with my clients. So these are the ones I'm gonna swatch, and you guys will get to know them a little bit better. These are the 5 that I include with my student kits when I conduct training. To start out, I'm going to write down the name that I'm gonna be using. So the first swatch I'm gonna do is a French Fancy. So I'm literally just going to write French Fancy, and then I'm going to swatch it. So make sure you shake the pigments really, really well. And then you want to wet your Q-tip. So you're just going to take a little bit of water on your Q-tip and get it wet, kind of get rid of some of the excess water. Take your pigment and put a drop of it on your Q-tip. And then we're gonna do a drawdown. So basically we're just gonna go like this and run it down here. So what this is showing is more of the opaque kind of solid color up here, and then where it's sheared out with the water is more so how it's going to look on the lips. So you're getting to see, like, if clients just look at the bottle, it can be overwhelming and intimidating. When you shear it out with some water, they really get a better visual of what the color is gonna look like on their lips, and then take into account that it's still gonna fade out lighter than that as well. Also, the water is actually helping to show you the undertones of the color. So we can see French Fancy here. It's got a lot of plum in it, but as we shear it out, it's a little bit more peachy. So you're seeing it's quite neutral. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. It's a very nice neutral color. So I kind of use this as a base for a lot of my clients who are after that neutral kind of nude lip. Okay, up next we'll swatch Tray Pink, one of my personal favorites. And if it's not sheer enough, you can even add a little bit more water to really water it down the tail there of the swatch. Okay, so here is your swatch sheet, your drawdown sheet, and you can kind of see the undertones and the colors. So if you guys want to learn more about these specific colors and why I like them, who I use them on, how I use them, then definitely, if you haven't already, go check out the online lip blush course. It's amazing, and we really dive deep into color theory as well. But if you guys have some colors at home, and you can do this for your brow colors as well, go ahead and do some swatch sheets up. Even if you have like half an hour to yourself, it's really, really good to do. You're gonna learn a lot more about the colors. And one major tip that I have for you is don't overwhelm yourself with a large collection of pigments. I personally have a very small collection and I only use colors that I trust and understand. So rather than having like 40 different colors to choose from, I would rather have 12 colors that I am comfortable with and I understand the undertones of it and I know what to expect with the healing process. And I know how to use those colors properly, then have like a huge assortment of colors. Because don't forget, once you understand these colors, you can mix them and match them as well. So this is really gonna help educate you on the colors themselves and a better understanding of the undertones to the colors. I hope this was helpful.